I've been featuring rodent traps from around the world, and today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to take a look at a powerful snap-style mousetrap from Sweden. This was sent to me by a YouTube viewer named Marcus. Marcus has a blog post. I'll put the link in the description below. Thank you so much to Marcus for sending me this. In Swedish, the name of this mousetrap translates to Thor's hammer, implying it's really powerful. It has a spring on bottom there attached to a kill bar. Let's take off the strap and cardboard and see how it works. This design is very similar to other mousetraps I've seen on the market. I've already posted a video on the Victor brand Quick Kill mousetrap. That's a very common mousetrap here in the US. It has a gray body and a red kill bar. I've also seen a version out of the UK called the Pest Stop System Advanced Mousetrap. That has a gray body and a black kill bar. Both those traps are basically copies of the original version from Sweden, and they all work the same way. There's a bait cover here, that's for safety, so you lift that up, put the bait, then to set it, you pull this back, clicks into place. Now this is great because it's safe. A pet, a kid can come along, and when they push down, it will not go off. Basically, the way it works is the mouse comes along, sticks its nose in there, and when it lifts it up just a little, that kill bar comes down. That has quite a bit of force. I'm curious if this is going to work, so let's go set up the motion cameras in the barn, see if we can get some wild deer mice with Thor's hammer mousetrap from Sweden. Last night I set up Thor's hammer mousetrap in my filming studio, and we caught a mouse. To release him, you pull back the kill bar, give it a little flip. What I like so much about this trigger is it's designed to only go off when the mouse approaches from the front, not the side. That results in a very quick, humane kill. I love testing out mousetraps from around the world. Thank you so much to Marcus for sending me this from Sweden, and I have a lot more traps coming, so stay tuned.